All right, WMC, this is the video to find the mini winner of the, well, this is to find the winner of the mini for the Yelich game model bat. So we'll check the time, October 4th at 9:07 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle, or the mini, and type live. And we have October 4th at 9:07 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and this is a winner-take-all. So whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, going all 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Looking for the top spot. It is Tony Schwandt, spot number 1. So, Tony, you'll get all 5 spots in the main, and then once everybody's paying on the main, we'll go ahead and run the main. So there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 4th, 9:08 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.